In today's video, we're diving into the world of garage organization and storage. If you're tired of cluttered spaces and searching for a solution to keep your tools, equipment, and other items neatly organized, you're in the right place. I mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Amazon Basics Adjustable Shelving Organizer. This adjustable shelving organizer is a versatile and practical storage solution for your garage. With its sturdy construction and adjustable shelves, this shelving unit offers ample space to organize and store your tools, equipment, and other items. It features a durable steel frame that can support heavy loads and withstand the rigors of a garage environment. The adjustable shelves allow you to customize the storage space according to your needs. Whether you have large items or small tools, you can easily adjust the height of the shelves to accommodate them. This flexibility ensures that you can maximize the use of the available space and keep everything neatly organized. What we like about it: sturdy steel frame for durability, adjustable shelves for customizable storage space. What we don't like about it: assembly may require some effort. Number 2. FlexiMounts Overhead Garage Storage Rack. This garage storage rack is an excellent choice if you want to optimize the vertical space in your garage. This rack allows you to store items overhead, freeing up valuable floor space for other purposes. It comes with an adjustable drop-down feature, making it easy to access and retrieve your stored items. The rack is constructed from heavy-duty steel and can support a significant amount of weight. With its sturdy build, you can trust that your belongings will be safe and secure. The 2 color options add a touch of style to your garage, allowing you to choose the one that suits your preference. What we like about it: maximizes vertical space by utilizing overhead storage. Adjustable drop-down feature for easy access to items. What we don't like about it: installation may require additional tools and assistance. Number 3. Original Yellow Steel Storage Shelving. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable storage shelving option, the Original Yellow Steel Storage Shelving is worth considering. This shelving unit is made of durable steel and is built to withstand heavy loads. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can handle the demands of a garage environment. The yellow powder-coated finish adds a vibrant touch to your garage and provides extra protection against rust and corrosion. The shelves are adjustable, allowing you to customize the storage space to accommodate items of different sizes. Whether you need to store tools, boxes, or other belongings, this shelving unit offers ample space and versatility. What we like about it: durable steel construction for heavy-duty storage. Adjustable shelves for versatile storage options. What we don't like about it: assembly instructions may be unclear for some users. Number 4. FlexiMounts 24-inch by 72-inch Storage Rack. The FlexiMounts 24-inch by 72-inch storage rack is a practical and space-saving solution for your garage storage needs. This floating shelf unit is designed to be mounted on the wall, allowing you to utilize vertical space without occupying valuable floor space. It offers a sleek and minimalist design that complements any garage decor. Constructed from high-quality steel, this storage rack is built to last. It can support heavy items and provides a stable and secure storage solution. The adjustable height feature enables you to customize the spacing between shelves, accommodating items of various sizes. What we like about it: wall-mounted design for maximizing floor space. Sleek and minimalist appearance. What we don't like about it: mounting hardware may not be included. Number 5. TopEquMert Shelving Unit with Adjustable Shelves. The TopEquMert Shelving Unit with Adjustable Shelves is a versatile and practical storage solution for your garage. It features a sturdy metal frame and durable MDF boards, providing a stable and reliable storage platform. With its adjustable shelves, you can create customized storage space to accommodate different items. This shelving unit is designed with safety in mind, featuring anti-toppling straps that can be anchored to the wall for added stability. The open design allows for easy access to your belongings and promotes airflow, preventing the buildup of dust and moisture. The black finish adds a sleek and modern touch to your garage. What we like about it: sturdy metal frame and durable MDF boards. Adjustable shelves for customizable storage space. What we don't like about it: may require additional anchoring for stability in certain conditions. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?